typing on the phone. I can see quite a lot of kisses with her. I can see a lit up phone screen. Gosh. She's now plugged in the power. It's quite an old iPhone because it has that converter. And who is she exactly? LP15WBY.